is about turn signals filled with water on a Firebird Trans Am. The years 98 to 2002, probably more models. The reason for that is the heat from the bulbs, because they are always on when the engine's running, crack the top of the fixture, and that lets water in but not out. The fix that worked for me: I drilled three 8-inch holes at the bottom of each housing and sealed the crack on the top with a duct tape. Works fine, no more changing bulbs due to water. And here's how I did it. First thing first, safety: raise the car on jack stands or rams. That's what I'm using here. Unscrew two 10mm bolts to open the trap door to have access to the bulb. And take the bulb out of the way. And then unscrew two 7mm head screws that hold the fixture. Then take the fixture out and drill three holes at the bottom, 8-inch size, and apply some duct tape on the top, and that should fix the problem.